In the world of project management, getting paid for your hard work is just as crucial as delivering the project itself. For freelancers, consultants, and small businesses managing multiple client projects, the process of billing can quickly become a significant administrative burden if not handled efficiently. This is where dedicated accounting software, and specifically its invoicing capabilities, becomes invaluable. A common query among those exploring solutions for their project-based work is, does FreshBooks do invoices? The answer is an unequivocal and enthusiastic yes. Invoicing is not just a feature within FreshBooks. It's one of its core strengths and a cornerstone of its design, built specifically to help service-based businesses manage their billing with ease and professionalism. FreshBooks is widely recognized for its intuitive approach to invoicing, making it a go-to choice for project managers, designers, writers, developers, and countless other professionals who need to bill clients for their time and services. The power of invoicing in FreshBooks. Let's delve into what FreshBooks offers when it comes to invoicing and why it's such a powerful tool for project-focused businesses. Professional and customizable invoices. First impressions matter. FreshBooks allows you to create highly professional-looking invoices that reflect your brand. You can customize templates with your logo, choose colors that match your company's branding, and select fonts that align with your aesthetic. This level of customization ensures that your invoices don't just act as a bill, but also as a professional extension of your business. This is crucial for building client trust and projecting a polished image. Easy invoice creation. FreshBooks simplifies the invoice creation process significantly. Instead of wrestling with spreadsheets or generic word processing documents, you can quickly add client details, itemize services or products, specify quantities, rates, and calculate totals automatically. This reduces the chances of manual errors and speeds up the entire billing cycle. You can even save frequently used items or services, allowing for even faster invoice generation for recurring tasks. Time tracking integration. This is a game changer for project managers and anyone who bills by the hour. FreshBooks has built-in time tracking features that allow you to log billable hours directly against specific projects or tasks. The beauty of this is that these tracked hours can then be pulled directly into an invoice with a few clicks. No more manual entry or worrying about missed billable time. FreshBooks ensures you accurately charge for all your work. Expense management integration. Similarly, if you incur expenses on behalf of a client, e.g., travel costs, materials, software subscriptions, FreshBooks allows you to track these expenses and mark them as billable. When you create an invoice, you can easily add these billable expenses, ensuring that all costs associated with a project are captured and reimbursed. This avoids awkward conversations and ensures you're not out of pocket for project-related expenditures. Recurring invoices for ongoing projects. Many project managers handle ongoing retainers or subscription-based services. FreshBooks excels here with its recurring invoice feature. You can set up invoices to be automatically generated and sent at a specified frequency, e.g., weekly, monthly, quarterly. This automation is a massive time saver, ensuring you consistently bill for ongoing work without having to remember to create each invoice manually. You can even set up automatic payments for these recurring invoices if your clients opt in, further streamlining cash flow. Automated payment reminders and late fees. Chasing late payments is one of the most frustrating aspects of running a business. FreshBooks tackles this head-on with automated payment reminders. You can configure the software to send polite, customizable reminders to clients when an invoice is due or overdue. You can also set it up to automatically apply late fees, providing an incentive for timely payments and clearly communicating your payment terms. This automation frees up your time and reduces the awkwardness of manual follow-ups. Online payment acceptance. Getting paid faster is often directly linked to how easy you make it for clients to pay. FreshBooks integrates with various online payment gateways like Stripe, PayPal, and FreshBooks Payments, allowing your clients to pay invoices directly online with credit cards or bank transfers. This significantly reduces payment processing time compared to waiting for checks and bank transfers. Invoice status tracking. As a project manager, you need to know the financial health of your projects at a glance. FreshBooks provides clear visibility into the status of each invoice, whether it's been sent, viewed, partially paid, or fully paid. This allows you to quickly identify outstanding payments and take appropriate action. Estimates and proposals conversion. FreshBooks allows you to create professional estimates and proposals for potential projects. Once a client approves an estimate or proposal, you can convert it directly into an invoice with a single click. This seamless transition from proposal to billing ensures consistency and saves time on data entry. The project manager's advantage. For a project manager, FreshBooks invoicing capabilities are more than just an accounting function. They are a critical component of effective project financial management. By integrating time tracking, expense management, and invoicing into one platform, FreshBooks provides a holistic view of project profitability. It helps project managers ensure accurate billing, no more missed billable hours or forgotten expenses, improve cash flow. Faster payments mean healthier project budgets, reduce administrative overhead, automate repetitive tasks, freeing up time for project execution. Maintain professionalism, present a consistent, branded experience to clients. Gain financial insights, understand the profitability of each project and make informed decisions.